Okay, I was getting ready to do an install here, and the one fan is already going, just sitting there on the stove there where it should be a little bit cooler. But all right, well, let me get this thing set up and we'll do the install here. Hey everybody, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. So I'm going to be putting another one of the fans on the flue pipe. I've been waiting for this to cool down most of the day, but we're going to see how it goes, and we're going to get at it. And I got my little nut driver here to try to work with these piece of crap bands they came with. Alright, so first thing I'm going to get the band started here again. Alright, so the reason I'm putting it so close to the top plate here, that even if I put one of these on the top plate, it's not going to work hardly at all. But I can still put one in here just in case I get more of them. This top plate here is actually just a spacer plate. If I get down low, I can see right on through. And that's just where the fan blows the air through and out here. So the heat it gets is just some conductive heat from the flue pipe anyway. So that's what I'm running across there, so this will work there. I'm going to go ahead and lower these down because this one here seems to run longer than that one, and the temperature is it stays hotter down here and cools off up there a lot quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and lower both these down to get better performance out of them. Those have got to be the crappiest pieces of whatever for hose clamps or band clamps on there. I think the Chinese made them just as a torture device for Americans. All right, so anyways, I lowered it down, so these should all work a little bit better down here, and we will see how it works when I go ahead and build a fire in there later on. So. Right now it's still nice and warm in here from the previous fire, so I'm not going to do it right now. I'll just leave the camera set up, and I'll come back and set up a fire, and then we'll see how these work here in a little bit. All right, so I just started the fire about a minute ago. I had to run grab the clock and then start the camera again. So just started the fire. Let's see how long it's going to take for it to go up there. There's the clock. If I do fast forward it, you'll see the clock go, the second hand go a little bit faster and stuff. So fire's going, and have fun watching it. I'll be back in a minute or two. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I'm not sure. I forgot to look see exactly what time it was. Fire's taking a little bit longer. These are some really hard pieces of wood, so it's taking a little bit long for it to really get going. It's yeah, no, not that one's starting to go on its own now. That one there is actually starting to go on its own. So that's the new one I just got. So I would say in the next couple of minutes these are all going to go. I'm going to let it go back to fast forward. Well, that's what happens when I get busy editing videos. I missed it. So they're all going really good. It's been about 15 minutes since I was last in here. So yeah, they're all blowing pretty good. This one here is, the fan looks like it's a little out of bounds. It's out of bounds, but it's at an angle, so it looks weird. But the new one is going there just nice. And you can tell, at least I can tell here. This one's going faster than that one, than that one. Temperature down here is, I don't have my glasses on, it's about 210. This one's about 180. So you can see there's about a 30-degree drop just in the temperature of the pipe from there to there. So and that's why I lowered them down and stuff, so that they will be going long after the one up on top would have stopped up there. So that'll get stuff going. I may get one more of these and to put it up in the middle, up in here somewhere, so get a lot of breeze. But there is. Let me go over here. Yeah, you can't see me. Yeah, so over here, I can feel the breeze. I can feel really good coming off those fans this way here. So, all right. So there you go. There's an update on heating the house, getting the air to move around, to move the heat from the wood-burning stove into the other rooms. All right? All right, before I take off, I'm going to put a video up here you'll be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here you should find interesting as well. And I'll put the link to Gray Man Prepping right up here. Take care.